A box contains black and white balls. The ratio of black to white balls is 4:1. Two balls are picked at random without replacement. The probability of removing two black balls is 22/35. Calculate how many balls there are in total in the bag. We don't know how many shares there are, but for every 4 black balls there is 1 white ball, so let x be the number of shares. So we have 4x to 1x, making that a total of 5x balls. On the first pick, we have 4x black balls and a total of 5x balls, making the probability of picking a black ball 4x/5x. Instead, if we picked a white ball first, the probability is x/5x. Now, on the second pick, there is a ball missing as we did not replace the ball we picked out first. So on the second pick, the total number of balls is always 1 less, so 5x minus 1. If we picked a black ball the first time, we have 1 less black ball to select from now, so we have 4x minus 1 black balls. If we picked a black ball the first time, we have the same number of white balls, so the probability of our second pick being white is x/5x minus 1. Now, going back to the beginning, and if we picked a white ball from the first time, the number of black balls has not changed on the second pick, so there will still be 4x black balls, making the probability 4x/5x minus 1. If we picked a white ball the first time, we now have 1 less white balls to pick from, making the probability here x minus 1/5x minus 1. The combinations of balls being picked are black, black, black then white, white then black, or white then white. These are the calculations that need to be made if these probabilities were required. But actually, in the question we were given the probability of picking a black ball and then another black ball being 22/35. We multiply the probabilities and then make them equal to 22/35. After cross-multiplying, expanding the brackets and rearranging, we get x equals 0 or x equals 3. Well, x cannot equal 0 as it means that we wouldn't have any balls to pick from. At the beginning, we said that there is a total of 5x balls. Well, we now have that x equals 3, so there are a total of 15 balls. 12 are black and 3 are white.